Hey there, Boots Owen here. This is a Numatic vacuum cleaner and it's got a silver pipe, and the pipe isn't from the vacuum, but the pipe I think is blocked. So if I disconnect the pipe first, and then there's nothing doing there. So it sounds like there's something stuck in it, but you won't see anything, and I can see a bit of dust on this end. Well, actually, it seems to have gotten drawn into it, so there's something blocking it along the way. Now, these should come apart in 3 sections. 1, 2, 3, and then the 4 is the head. The blockage could be here, or it could be there, or anywhere in between. To get these apart is very difficult, so I'll show you my trick for doing it. So I'll take a big heavy adjustable spanner that'll open to the width of the pipe and tighten it up so that it's tight. I'll slacken it a bit so it'll slide, and then slide it as a hammer. And that gets it out. And that might have been it actually. So let's see. I can't see light down that, but let's see if you can see it. You won't see light into it. In fact, I can actually. Let's see now. If I rotate it around. If I shine a torch into it, you'd be able to see it. You see that white dot on the bottom anyway, so you can see down there now. It came apart easier. Sometimes you can grab them and twist them, but they really, after a while, sometimes they really get stuck on. Now, that doesn't look appealing to me. It doesn't look appealing, but we are where we are. So, first instance, I'll get something to poke it and pull it. That's it, actually. They've hooked up a tissue, and I would say that that's... I don't want to touch that, but I would say that that's the culprit and the beginning and the end of it all. Oh no, there's more down there. Let's discard that and hook this. You could use a piece of coat hanger to do this if you bend it straight and put a little lip on the end like that. It doesn't need to be a particular tool. I'd say that's it. Now, we couldn't have gone in there to get that without taking it apart. So let's try it again. We should be able to hear the tone change on the vacuum. It did damage the plastic a little bit, but you know, it's that or throw it out, and you don't want to throw it out. So let's get the machine on again. So just listen to the tone and try and remember what it sounded like. So that's a success. It's taken me less than 5 minutes to do. The carpet in here, it's a workshop. It's filthy anyways, but it shows that it's picking up the dust now, whereas it wouldn't have picked anything up before. And I can feel it actually sucking down onto the carpet when I'm pulling it back. I could feel it, so it's working quite well that now. That had been thrown away. Somebody had thought they didn't know how to fix that, and its life was over, and it was for the tip. But now, with the spanner... and that's all I use. Now you could, in theory, you can get a couple of pieces of wood and just just get a piece of wood and slide it along it and try and cut it off. Or the back of a kitchen knife even might do it, but doing it both sides at the same time, I've always found gets it off. Just like it did in this video, it gets it off quite quickly. You've saved something from the landfill. You've saved yourself, I don't know what these cost, but this is a genuine Numatic one with the single roller ball in the back and the stainless steel pipes. 20 quid, something like that. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you later.